Okay, so this video is to fix the GDQuest laser beam that has some bugs on Godot 4. So let's go for it. First we add the raycast 2D, align 2D. We can rename our raycast to laser, change the target position, the position. We add the size 2, make the second point 100 and change the color to whatever we like. Then we add the script to our laser. We create a new variable, is casing, that will be false, and we set a value, is casing equals value, and if is casing appear, else disappear. This is just setting a behavior when I try to change the is casing variable. Here we disable the physics process. We put line2d.point1 equals vector to 0 and func physics process variable cast point equals target position. We force raycast update and rotation plus equals 0.001 just for testing. You can change this to your mouse or whatever you want. Right now I just want to test it really quick. Then we do get collider.name to see if it's colliding correctly. And we do line2d.point1 equals cast point. And then we create a new function, the peer one that we called before. And the twin equals get3.createTwin to create a twin, and twin.twin property line2d with 10.0 0.2 and then twin play. Then we copy, we change to disappear and put this a 0. Then we create a new function for unhandled input, and if event is input event mouse button and event dot button index equals mouse dot the dot now underline button left self is casing equals event dot pressed, so we can activate and deactivate a laser. Then on our laser test scene, where we have a static body and a collision shape to test the collision of the laser, we call our laser. We can create a new collision that will have another position, so just you can see that everything is working. And let's see, when I click, yeah, as you can see, it's working. It's collided with the vector, with the static body 2D2 and the static body 2D. If you want that I make the aesthetic of the GDQuest as well, you can just comment on the video that I will do the aesthetic part. In this video I just did the scripting, not the aesthetic. So if you want to see how I made a game in a week, check this video.